put a little arch in your back here. Arching her back thins out her stomach. This is suggesting that she's gonna take the shirt off. One hand on top of the other. Bring your hands to under your shoulders. You're gonna sink in. So being able to say pricing starts at $500 and then you purchase pictures separately kind of weeds out anybody who was really looking for something really cheap without alienating people who maybe their budget was around $1,000, but they can spend a little bit more after they get emotionally invested in you and your brand. The reason why so many other people haven't started shooting boudoir, so many guys haven't started shooting boudoir is because they're worried about what are women gonna think, what are their fiancés gonna think, what if I don't have a space, all of those things. So I know that this is a big question that I get all the time is how do you get them comfortable enough to shoot them in these poses? And the truth is that comfort starts early, before they walk in the door. Sit here with your knees. So you're gonna put your elbows here. So you can see she's already arching her back. I'm feeling good. I always recommend something really casual. Something off the shoulder, gives them their hands something to do. I'm feeling good. To get you into these poses, we're gonna be playing the mirror game. Are you familiar with the mirror game? If I go like this, okay, and then like this. Perfect. Okay, you're gonna be a pro. It gets me every time. I know that I'm addicted. Can't get you off my mind.